Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks not working issues fast. Yeah, if QuickBooks won't open, freezes, or crashes unexpectedly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need to access your financial data quickly. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you go through a few key steps. So first, restart your computer. Uh, this clears temporary glitches and frees up resources that might be blocking QuickBooks from running properly. Next, try running QuickBooks as an administrator. Yeah, right-click the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator, because permission issues can sometimes prevent the software from opening or functioning correctly. After that, check that your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates often fix bugs, improve stability, and ensure compatibility with your operating system. Also, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall programs. Sometimes security software can block QuickBooks from launching or connecting to required files. And yeah, if you're still having trouble, use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. This tool can automatically detect and fix common errors that prevent QuickBooks from working. Finally, if nothing else works, consider reinstalling QuickBooks. Most of the time, these steps will get your software running smoothly again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone,